guys, what's up? And I'm trying out this company for the first time. The name is Slove Hair, and it lists their website at the bottom of the box. Nice plain white box, you know, so my nails can pop on it. I like that. Anyways, let's see what's inside. So as I open the box, I see this wig cap. Ooh, a card filler. Oh, it's actually a black wig cap that I got today, and it's a little information card in here stating that it's their anniversary. So yeah, the tissue paper vibe is giving me like designer, you know, like when you get a designer item in a box and it has like, I like that. I like when the companies take those little things in consideration. All right, so when I open that, oh, and it has their brand listed on the paper. So it has this drawstring bag on the inside, so lists the same thing again at the front there. So when I open it, I see the hair, and today we're working with HDLACE. This is actually an HDLACE wig. It's a straight texture, just like what I wanted. I also feel like I'm gonna do a blunt cut vibes with this though. Like it's like I believe this is 20 inches long, but I'm going to be sure to put the specifications in the description box. But I feel like I'm definitely going to go in and pluck this more. It's pre-plucked, but I want it to definitely be plucked more. That's the vibes I'm in today. So the hair feels good. It's a natural like color 1B, and I love, you can definitely tell that it's HD whenever you see the little raw free edge here. I don't know if you guys can pick that up on the camera. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, so that's nice. This looks a little pre-bleached. I don't know if you can tell. It has a total of 4 combs on the inside, adjustable straps in the back, and yeah, it's really nice and silky, soft. Shed check, not getting anything, so that's nice. It came with a parting, but today I feel like I want to do a nice like flat, really nice sleek half up half down with this wig. So that's what I'm gonna do. It looks good. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into installing this. I'm still going to use my got to be spray. It's actually been a minute. The high insta hold, I'm yet to try that out. I'll actually have to order that online because I don't see that anywhere in stores here in Jamaica. So yeah, sometimes some things just reach late here, so it's so like stressful. But yeah. I realized that I've been getting a lot of questions about the wax stick. I actually get them occasionally in my hair packages. There's the finish pretty quickly based on how I use them. If you want like big like hair waxes, you can shop in like a beauty supply store. There's not a specific brand. I just get them and I use them and they work. I don't put them throughout the hair itself. It's just like most of the front when I want to get it really flat, because if you use too much of this like on the hair itself, it will be stiff and dead. You don't want that. So I usually just use it, focus it to the more like the front and the parting, and to just get it laid. So yeah, so that's what I'm using currently to lay the hair. I just put the end of the ponytail portion in a bun to get it out the way, because I'm going to flat iron the back portion of the hair, and then at the end I'll do, when I'm finished, then I'll do the top, the ponytail portion. And this is going to be really easy to flat iron. You guys know I'm using my Posy. Done. This is what I did. You know the vibes. So sleek and pretty, and I love the fact that I made the ends blunt, like a nice blunt cut. It speaks for itself. I did my 2 swoops. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about you know, this cute little sleek half up, half down vibe. This is a hair look of the day. Shout out to Slove Hair. Like, yeah, it's pretty. I'm going to be sure, as I said before, to put all the specifications of the wig in the description box. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. More hauls coming, definitely. More makeup get ready with me is coming, so just stay tuned for that. Remember to turn your post notification bell on so you'll be notified each and every time that I do upload a video here on my channel. Also check out my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. And yeah, that's it for today. So just go and make up on yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.